This is one of our typical flat roof log cabins. This particular building is 3 metres wide, 4 metres deep. Huge timber beams to support the roof, and all this comes under 2.5 metres tall, so it doesn't require, in most cases, planning permission. We insulate on the outside of the roof so that you still maintain the beautiful look of the building internally. Our walls are solid timber, so what you see on the inside is the same as the outside. And what that does is that gives you a really good level of thermal insulation, as timber is a good insulator, and it's also breathable, and that's something which is important to mention, because what it does is it means it keeps it a very nice, comfortable and dry environment within the building. You're not trapping moisture. They can be used for a whole variety of different purposes, whether it's a children's den as we've set it up here, or use it as a home office or treatment room, or just a place to come and sit and relax. To let in lots of light into this building and to give a really good view from inside, what we have is we have a nice set of double doors with fixed windows, panels either side. Sometimes space is limited, so here we've incorporated our shed into the building. Here we have an Apex roof log cabin with a veranda to the front. Here we've got our traditional casement windows with locking top and bottom, fully double glazed and remain open on casement stays. Apex roofs give you a real sense of height and airiness within the building, and this is perfect if you want to use it for something like a sport or exercise where you need that head height.